Well, guys, look, check this out. I made a whole motherfucking piece of a video of me taking this carburetor off of there. I had the plastic off, the tank off, all that shit. I had a video of that. But for some reason, it won't play. It says unsupported file, which is bullshit. So, the beginning of this video was lost. I don't even know how much so far until I get to doing the edits. But I seen that it was already a piece gone. So the whole beginning, with me taking it off, and when I seen it, it was back on there already like that. So I kind of tell you what I done. It was really simple. There's two of these water clamps here. You take those loose. Then first you take your tank off, you know what I mean, bolt here, take your back plastic off. I did it. You don't have to, but I did. Take your hose off your tank. Take your two screws out here of your, I call them water clamps, but I guess it's not really a water clamp on here. It'd be like a carburetor clamp, or hose clamp, whatever. But anyway, when you take those off, it comes up out of there. Then your cable, your throttle cable comes out. Your screws right out. Take that out. I'll show you on this old car here where it's at. It's let me get it out of the bag here. Yeah, okay, good enough. Right here, that's your throttle cable. And then you'll have your fuel line will be this one. And that's what will go with your carburetor. To your to your tank. This goes from the tank to here. Okay. And this will be your cable. You take these three bolts out right here. Or screws, these three screws out. This comes off, there's a gasket under there. And the cable goes down in here. Okay. And you go down here and you got a little spring loaded and you swing the spring back like that. Put the cable in, tap it in there. Shuts right back. Put your screws back on your gasket. Then, like I say, this goes back in the front part of the motor, but you can't mess it up because it's different sizes. So that goes toward the front of the motor, and this goes into your air box. Like I said, bigger holes. So, one thing I didn't like that Suzuki did, that's a plastic piece, a plastic piston. So that sucked. That's stupid, Suzuki. But anyway, it's on there, and so the next thing's starting it, and we'll do that once we get the battery hooked back up. But it's all good. That's how you install a carburetor, y'all. And I hope that all the video wasn't lost there. Okay, so like the phone died, but we charged it and came back. And Derek's admiring how good that this is put together with zip ties and everything. You know, you got feeders flapping in the wind type stuff. But anyway, while he's gone, you seen this didn't have the screw hole, and it was very loose when I put it in there. So I just took some white tape, like your pipe tape, you know. And I ran it through there and just stuck it in there like this. I'll show you because I gotta take it out to get the cable back down in there, I guess. I just stuck it in there. See, and so there's your fuck up from your eBay. There's no screw hole to go in there. So you just gotta make your own kind of shit. It won't hurt nothing. It's just the throttle cable, you know, but steel, you know. So I need that little gold copper thing. This little bastard back in there. Here. It ain't fun, I'll tell you. Because I got big fat fingers. And it don't like to work with me. You know what I mean? I don't know why they ever did that. Why don't they just make the cable like Honda makes the cable? I'm a Honda guy. I'm just saying. You can't beat a Honda, man.
Facts. Can't beat them doing
You want to ride one? Get on.
it.
You want to work on one? Get anything else. All right, give me another screw that's in there. Let's make sure it works. What it works.
We're working hard to make ours better.
Yeah. Yeah, we only do the work on ours just to make them like a 440 or, something upgrade usually. Now, what have we broke? I have put a carrier bearing in.
Yeah, well, we both.
Cogs changed.
It happens, though,
Shit happens. And gaskets fall.
Out of your hand.
Yeah, fuck them anyway. Who cares? Hell, I believe the old gasket would have worked better. This motherfucker ain't right. You know what I mean? Like it's not sitting here right like it's supposed to. Of course, I don't like to fight with that too. There ain't no way.
Yeah, I think you have it the wrong way.
I don't think there's a way.
Other way. Other way. Flip it. No.
Yeah. Hey, you do it, smart eyes.
You don't see like
No, I don't. I'm not good at that. I didn't play well with those and big flip blocks and hose. You know what I'm saying?
I did. I like to put the blocks in the
You
hose.
didn't get it in there.
Like the
In there.
like the stars and the star hole and like the squares. Remember that shit?
I told you no, I didn't play with it. They had sent me home because I whooped everybody.
Oh.
I'm just playing. But I didn't like the blocks, honestly. I didn't.
Man, I was the Lego king, bro. Shit.
Oh, look at that, man. Now, look. See, I'm about to use the old. It was already set in there, and I'll get close to it. There. Don't you do that. Hit it again.
You get 4 stuff like that.
I need something. I think it's 4-way. I already got one right there. I just gotta get this gas in there again. I'm being a dick. Oh my god. Ooh, have mercy. Is it on that side over where I can't see it?
Yeah.
Get better, but not damn big as all I know.
Just right here is the only place it's hot.
Fix it, bud. You see it.
And how much do that? Push it in there?
Oh, yeah. Wasn't it?
Not really.
No.
No.
It is too, doesn't it?
Oh.
Well, it was. I did that. Oh, shit.
Gas is a bitch.
OMG. You really scraped it up. Get that fucking thing. Where'd it go?
What the fuck?
Seriously, just fail. You gotta find it online.
Yeah, hold up.
Did you get it?
No.
I'll show you.
I found it. Hold up. I don't even. See, this one ain't even angled like that. This one's angled weird.
The old gasket in there goes right there. Man.
The new one is fitting the old one.
Mm-hmm.
The new one is fitting the old one. This gas is not lined up on.
Mm-hmm. Been a lot.
Huh? Yes.
Yeah, I say been a lot of. Fuck with me neither. I'm gonna put the old ones back, old screws back in here, because yeah, look, got washers on it, and the new one's good. And so, put the old ones in it. Now, if anybody don't know nothing about a carburetor, carburetors are very, very delicate. So never tighten none of the screws very tight. I mean, you want them tight, but what I'm saying is don't over tighten them, because if you do, you're going to break them off, and then you're going to have to rebuy a new carburetor or something. Put the back aside. Put the gasket in there too. All right. Now we'll just set her in there, huh? So forget about it. Just forget about it. Hey, forget about it. Hey, just forget about it. I say, all right, a lot. Imitation for you imitators. Our generator. All right. Cool down the sugar stuff I've been on. What the hell is that? Weird stuff. I guess that's switched in now. And there it is. Wabba wabba. All right. Let's see if everything works. Yep, so works. Cast all cables working. What's up? Somebody's got the plug bar over. They had these. They had these things over top of the damn plug bar. Why they did that? They had these cables under this plug bar. Make it miss like hell. All right. Well, we're going to throw the tank on and we'll be back. So here we go. I found this thing that don't have nothing on it, which goes up here, and it's like a box right here. So I'm not sure what this is. I don't fool with Suzuki's law. But there's a hole here, so that's sucking in a lot of stuff. I ain't even using the iron filters coming right through there, which is bad for the carburetor. But anyway, I'm betting that went to there. So I'm going to run a hose from there to there and see what happens. There was a hole here too. There's probably a snorkel coming out of here, which was wide open. So we put this on here, a little MacGyver in here. And if y'all don't know who MacGyver is, he was the guy that wouldn't fix anything with anything. So I just took a piece of plastic of another air box, and I'm going to cover the hole up with that with 4 screws. And we'll get that. Like I said, the carb's in. About to put the tank back on. We'll see what happens. Here's what I did. I just took this clear hose with these things and filled the holes up and ran it from one to the other. That white stuff in there is my breath. It was clear. But that's what I did right there. So that's what we're going to do with that. And I should have made it shorter. I'll probably do it like this. Yeah, there we go. See? Perfect. Got a little turbocharger there, you know what I mean? So anyway, back to putting her back together. So we got the plastic bag on it and everything back together except for the batteries not plugged up. That's it. And well, I got 2 more pieces of green plastic put on here. But other than that, we got the carb installed. So that was that. I hope that was helpful to y'all. So like I say, this video's over now. We'll be doing a little tune-ups and things on it. We might come back and do another one about that. But we put the carburetor in there. Even though you can't see nothing right now. Hang on, let me fix that real quick. Yeah, like I said, we put it back together. All we gotta do is plug the battery up. I ain't gonna mention no names or nothing. Somebody lost the nut out of that, so we're waiting to find out, or I would have fired it up right here, right now. Anyway, carburetor's on it. We're ready. All we gotta do, put the seat there on it, and see one of the green things. Bam, bam. We done. So I hope that helped y'all if you're installing your carburetor. Peace.